I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by enabling the Hotspot QR on the source device so you can scan immediately. You open your camera app because most phones read QR automatically. If not, use a QR scanner app. Hold your phone steady about 6 to 12 inches from the QR code so the lens can autofocus. You do this to let the camera decode the embedded network name and password quickly. Once the code is visible, watch for the connection prompt to appear on your screen. When the prompt appears, pause and review the SSID and security type so you know you're joining the intended network. This prevents connecting to a lookalike hotspot. If the camera auto-parses the QR, you'll see a connect button. Tap it. If your device asks for confirmation or a password, verify it matches what the source displays. You do this because automatic connection can be prevented by mismatched settings. Once confirmed, your phone will join and show. After connecting, validate by checking signal bars, the assigned IP, and loading a web page to confirm internet access. This confirms the connection path works. If the scan fails, make sure QR is fully visible, clean the camera lens, or try a different QR scanner app because glare or motion often causes decode errors. If you still can't connect, restart the hotspot and your phone. That clears temporary network or DHCP issues and usually resolves link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.